Hi guys! In this video, I am going to show you how to auto caption in CapCut on PC. If you want to automatically generate subtitles for your video, just follow these simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your PC. Now click on New Project and import the video you want to edit. Drag your video to the timeline. Next, go to the top menu and click on Text. After that, click on Auto Captions. Now select the language of your video and choose whether you want captions from the video's original sound or from a voiceover. Then click on the Generate button. CapCut will automatically analyze your audio and create captions for your video. This may take a few seconds depending on the length of your video. Once the captions appear on the timeline, you can click on them to edit the text, change the font style, size, color, and position. After you finish editing, click on Export at the top right corner to save your video with captions. That's how you can easily add auto captions in CapCut on PC.